You're going to cut off this hem at the bottom because it really doesn't stretch. So we'll just get rid of that. And you don't have to worry about it later. Make sure it's nice and flat. And then up here, about an inch or two, we're gonna not cut that part. We'll cut all the way through both layers of t-shirt. So try not to have any big folds and wrinkles. Cut all the way up until there's an inch and a half left at the end. The more you have up there, it probably will just get in your way, but you don't want it to be so small, obviously, that you can't cut it later. Now, when you have all the strips cut up until right under the arms, that will be your last strip. So you can cut all the way through from one side to the other. Now we'll have to think of something to do with this top part of the t-shirt. I have no idea. All right, so now what you do is, working maybe a couple strips at a time, open it up so that you can see that blank part in the middle. Now, grab your scissors and you're going to cut from one end, just pick a spot, cut over to the next strip. So you're cutting diagonal lines from the bottom side, diagonal, up to the top. So this is working because you're not cutting any of the strips into loops. You just make one continuous strip. Now keep going all the way to the end. And here's how you finish. You cut across, and then your last one, you'll just cut to the edge. You pull it between your hands all the way through, and that will give you t-shirt yarn. And there you have it. This gave me about 50 feet of yarn. You can roll them all up into balls and they're ready for your project.